1. What is the ozone layer?
Is it a brand of toaster?
No. The ozone layer is a concentration of ozone molecules in the stratosphere. About 90% of the planet's ozone is in the ozone layer. The layer of the Earth's atmosphere that surrounds us is called the troposphere. The stratosphere, the next highest layer, extends up to about 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Stratospheric ozone is a naturally occurring gas that filters the sun's ultraviolet radiation or UV rays.
I was close.
Question number 2. How does ozone depletion occur?
When people fall,
Excuse me?
fart, you know, the gas out of your butt.
Okay, no. Ozone depletion is caused by the release of chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, and hydrofluorocarbons, or HCFCs, and other ozone-depleting substances, which we use widely as refrigerants, insulating foams, and solvents.
I'm pretty sure it's fart. Like this.
Question number 3. How do we know that natural sources are not responsible for ozone depletion?
Because they get all poopy.
Poofy. While it is true that volcanoes and oceans release large amounts of chlorine, the chlorine from these sources is easily dissolved in water and washes out in the atmosphere in rain. In contrast, CFCs are not broken down in the lower atmosphere and do not dissolve in water. The chlorine in these human-made molecules does not reach the stratosphere. Measurements show that the increase in stratospheric chlorine since 1985 matches the amount released in CFCs and other ozone-depleting substances produced and released by human activity. Question number 4. What is being done about ozone depletion?
Ooh, I know this answer. Okay, is it like fat people getting bigger shirts?
Not quite. In 1978, the use of CSC propellants in spray cans was banned in the US. In the 1980s, the Antarctic ozone hole appeared and an international science assessment more strongly linked to the release of CSCs and ozone depletion. It became evident that a stronger worldwide response was needed. In 1987, the Montreal Protocol was signed and the signatory nations committed themselves in a reduction to the use of CFCs and other ozone-depleting substances.
I prefer my answer.
Question number 5. Is there a general agreement among scientists on the science of ozone depletion?
Doesn't like depend if you're like wearing gray?
No. Well, yes, an international consensus on the causes and effects of ozone depletion has emerged. Under the sponsorship of the UN Environment Programme and the World of Meteorological Organization, the Scientific Recent Analysis, WMO/UNEP, Scientific Assessment of Ozone Depletion in 2006. Question number 6. Will the ozone layer ever recover? Can we make more ozone to fill in the holes?
B!
Provided that we stop producing ozone-depleting substances, ozone will be created through natural processes that shall return the ozone layer to normal levels at about 2050. It is very important that the world comply to the Montreal Protocol. Delays in ending production could result in additional damage and prolong the ozone layer's recovery. Good news, class! You all failed. Da da da! Thank you for everyone who participated